Hello, welcome back in the part 2 of Sun Evil Twin. As the Sun took away almost all the dust and gas from a molecular cloud, the Sun became a fairly large star, but the twin remained dark and small. Moreover, in the end it was forced to fly away in the middle of nowhere. Anyone would be annoyed by something like this. Scientists have put forward various hypotheses about what the mysterious nemesis is. Perhaps it's a brown or a red dwarf, the remnants of a star that is completely depleted its fuel, or maybe it's not a star at all but a rogue planet more gigantic than Jupiter. Well, whatever it is, its existence isn't particularly pleasant for us. However, all our attempts to find the culprit unfortunately fail at the moment. We still haven't found any signs of nemesis. Recent studies have called into question the theory of regular mass extinctions. If you look more into fossil records, you'll notice that these catastrophes occurred rather randomly, rather than on a clear schedule. Now scientists doubt if nemesis may actually exist. They also say that any star moving in a similar orbit would be very unstable, and it's very unlikely that it could have survived for that long. But despite the lack of clear evidence, nemesis had become quite famous online. Many articles and news still mention it in different contexts. They like to write off any dramatic events taking place in the world, like asteroid falls, tsunami, and so on this mysterious star. So now, all this may seem like a typical urban legend, but let's not forget about something important. Even if nemesis itself doesn't exist, it doesn't mean that the Sun didn't have a twin. First of all, everything we talked about at the beginning is still relevant. Most stars aren't born alone. The probability that our Sun also had a sibling is still very high. Secondly, there may be evidence of the existence of this lost twin, and is probably somewhere in the Oort cloud. This is a huge cloud in the outer limits of our solar system. It consists of a bunch of comets and other cool rocks. Now scientists believe that this cloud stores various remnants and fragments of everything that remained after the birth of our solar system. It's like a huge museum of our past. So in this Oort cloud, scientists have noticed something interesting. Basically, this region seems to be too heavy. What the Oort cloud actually looks like doesn't correspond to our current models of the formation of the solar system. It's too heavy because there are some remnants of something in it. So there used to be something in the solar system that we don't know about yet, but when scientists included a possible second sun in their calculations, it fit just right, like a missing piece of a puzzle. The lost twin perfectly matches the gap in the weight of the Oort cloud. So yeah, the Sun almost certainly had a twin, but what happened to it, and where is it now? Unfortunately, this star is most likely already very far away, probably after their birth. The son and daughter, OK Sun 2.0, spent only a couple of million years together, and then they had to separate completely. Now the second twin may be hundreds of light years away from us. It can be anywhere in the Milky Way, and yeah, theoretically we could find it, but that would be quite difficult to do this, for need to find all the stars similar to our Sun about the same age all over the Milky Way galaxy. And even if we make a list of these stars, what's next? We have no way of knowing which one was really the twin of the Sun. So the lost twin will most likely remain lost, and our Sun will remain forever lonely. Ah, what a sad story, but cheer up, for us it's probably the best. If we had two suns, perhaps the solar system would never have become what it is now. Our planet might not exist at all, and that means that there might be no life. So we probably should be grateful for the Sun's sacrifice. On the other hand, our sunsets would look like the ones they have on Tatooine. Cool. That's it for today. So hey, if you pacified your curiosity, then give the video a like and share it with your friends, or if you want more, just click on these videos and stay on the favorite TV.